Alright gang, today is April 1, 2024. Apple Valley is going to be executing at least 19 dogs tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. This is who's getting killed. Harvey, Harley, Heidi, Heather, Lumi, Clark, Astro, Mike, Annie, Alfie, Yuma, Rocky, Millie, Miles, Alex, Savannah, Austin, Scarlett. It's truly a hopeless mess, gang. It's truly a hopeless mess. These dogs don't have a prayer in hell. These are other dogs that I think that they may be killing. They're very cryptic. They don't want you to know who they're killing and how many. We'll just make a quick rundown here. Iris, Nala, Harlow, Finn, Daisy, Betty, Wilma, Benny, Aldo, Mimi, Ferris, little Ferris. Hard to believe people can kill dogs like that. Hank, Honey Bear, Akira. You can see these people mean business, gang. They're overpaid government thugs, and they do whatever they want. They don't answer to you and me. They don't answer to taxpayers. They don't answer to anybody. This was a good day where everybody rallied and got him out alive. Even Emerson, he was the last one to get out alive. Thank God for the decent people that go to bat for him. And look at that little guy, Brownie. Look at that. What a beautiful guy. I mean, they're all beautiful, but, you know, some of them really just grab you. Landon and Leah. You know, God, just keep praying, gang. We need all the help we can get. Brooke. Sienna. Zach. Jasper. Nola. Yeah, this is the big kill list for tomorrow. It's very, very sad. It's, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if they killed all these guys. This place is darkness. This place is evil. The people that work there don't give a flying fuck. They could care less. Yeah. So, alright, gang. So this is the Networking Apple Valley Animal Shelter Dogs volunteer page. There it is right there. Go look for it on the Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook account, just make one up. Just misspell your name, use some photo off the internet. You don't have to put anything accurate about yourself. Just use the Facebook to network and learn about the dogs that need out. Yeah. This is just absolutely horrific. These dogs get like 24 hours, 48 hours, and boom, dead. Look at that beautiful German Shepherd. You know, the greeter breeders, they would sell that one for $1,000. I mean, to me, they're all $1,000, $10,000, $1 million. They're all worth $1 million to me. But the people that love money, that hug pennies, you know, that's what they want. Look at little Petey got killed. I was really hoping Petey'd get saved. You know, I've got 2 fosters right now, so I really can't take on more than that. Anyway, okay, so we looked at those dogs. Let's see if that one lady has anything good for us to look at. Okay. Mandy and Tasha, and they're both at the Apple Valley. This guy, save every single dog. I figured it out. He does this background, and he puts the background in there. But anyway, he's going about for him. That's a good page to follow. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. All these shelters are a total fucking disaster right now. All of them. But then you can come over to Instagram, and all the dogs are over here too, as many as can be posted. Yeah, gang, if you can pray, that they get out alive, that this horrible place gets shut down, that they get new management. Yeah. So this is guess who? The real evil son of a bitch. You know, this Apple Valley with the just tremendous amount of creatures that get killed reminded me of this story about on Hitler's birthday. What was it? His 53rd birthday. Mauthausen concentration camp executed 300 prisoners. Every second minute there is another prisoner, and this goes on for pages. From the International Tracing Service, how they shot prisoners for Hitler's birthday present, not just shot, but then registered them by names. Millions of documents like this. International Tracing Service, ITS, at Bad Arolsen, Germany. They're really good people. I've actually worked on some projects with them. Really, really good people. They are very sincere about helping people learn about history and study their relatives or family soldiers that died or family members perished in the Holocaust. But this is Apple Valley animal control. They're just, you know, just killing dogs and cats left and right. They don't give them a prayer in hell. So, all right, gang, that's enough today. Lots of beautiful dogs. Look at that little guy. So if you want a dog, you can go to Apple Valley. You can call them up and adopt a dog. You can go to that networking page and comment that you'd like to foster a dog and tell them where you live and all that kind of stuff. You know, they have transports. They're not cheap, but they got transports that will deliver a dog to you for, say, $300. Yeah, if you get on that networking page and you say you want to learn about transporting, I will answer your question on there about transporting the dogs. I'm not going to answer it on YouTube just because I have stalkers and mentally ill people, and yeah, I'm done. So I have to limit my exposure to people. If you get on the internet and you're trying to do good, you're going to pay for it. So, look at that guy. So just make a mention on the networking page. Hey, I'm interested in this dog. How can I get this dog to me in, say, Nevada or Washington State or Utah or Colorado or Arizona, wherever. And we'll work something out, but be prepared. It's going to be $300-400, and they will deliver the dog to you. And yeah, that's how that works. So, all right, gang, enough. Pray that this place gets overturned, that we get new management in there that are concerned about the welfare of these dogs. This place is dead serious about killing puppies. They kill mamas and babies left and right. They're dead serious. This is not a shelter. This is a kill station. This is where you send creatures to kill them. It's a slaughterhouse, except they don't use the hides, or I hate to say this, but they probably take the corpses and make them into food. It's that grisly. Yeah. I would not put that past them. So pray that the management's overthrown. We'll get some new, decent, good people in there. Pray that these dogs get out alive. Thanks, gang. We'll catch you on the next YouTube.